Let us prepare, make some good profits this week. Market left us big clues right here. We talked about the big move, isn't it? And the liquidity trap that we were talking about here, especially when we saw that pocket of liquidity here, just waiting out for the news. Now, there was this green algorithm, so there was no reason to short. I talked about that as well. But regardless, let's find out how to be finding profits in the charts. Now, before Powell spoke, we saw the pink algorithm building liquidity here. Now, this is not an easy trade to take because this was a news candle. But if you saw this liquidity, you were prepared. And especially when you're looking out for that pink. You see, we identified the pink liquidity and the teal. And some of you straddled this fantastic trade if you did so, because you also recognized the magenta. And this would have been a beautiful trade for you even before Powell spoke. And you would have been done for the day. Now, most importantly, don't be worried if you missed something. Remember, as I always tell you, because we are developing a skill here that's stackable. You are always early for the next trade because you've learned to identify the algorithms and prepare ahead. So you're never missing out. You're not late for this trade. You're merely early for the next one. And I want to show you that. Even if you missed this last green candle, which is an extremely risky candle. Fine, if you're trading 2 contracts, 5 contracts, fine, you can't embody the risk. Take this as a gamble, absolutely fine. But if you're looking to trade 50, 100 contracts, and that's what you need to aim towards. So you have to develop the right systems, develop the right habits, and not just look at candles like that on hindsight and think, I could have got it, I should have got it. Now, if you're an elite professional, and that's what you need to embody to become, if you want to be making good money here, you mustn't think like that. And I'll show you. Let me show you. Because after the news candle, 10:06, this is what I instructed you to do. Look out for the pink algorithm. You see the pink algorithm? And look out for that breakout and retrace. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. To the penny. Because we identified that same pink algorithm already, and it was building liquidity again. So once it broke out and that red candle was my entry, right here, this was my 100% trade. Now, why covet over this if you don't have a proper system to confidently catch this trade with few hundred contracts, for example, or be able to replicate it because this is a news candle? You can't control what Powell is speaking, but this I can control. And I got a 100% trade right there. Absolutely beautiful. So look out for the algorithms. And if you brush aside that you missed this and you're always ready for the next trade, because you are always